no enende University of Ghana Medical Center ye wia ye bia the nurse fo anya adwuma ye omo yare ko hokoje ayaresa ye the airport terminal 3 je Kufuado mahama ifiri so ne yembie ye ne yenwie ye na ya ye do around 89% to seden Kufuado ba ye wanko diska no otwa so ye ya mende terminal 3 aye be no kra no ye da mahama ase. We always credit Mahama with the terminal 3. We don't even mention say when we na Kufuado ne be wie there be emfa ho Mahama ne kofa ba until let us give him that kind of respect, and we do that. Yet dia sebe dia ono Kufuado be ye ne de ye mfa Mahama pokwa se interchange de bia meka sa asem we 36 months enti calculate 36 months na hwe when it was open. Tell me that they won't call register. Just say anything to cause mayhem, these people will do it. They have no respect for Ghanaians. They have no respect for anybody. And then answer, Sister Linda Meda, say wakofa sa ade we aba. And then answer, me wo ho na me hu say ya ma melodina. Oh, Ahmed say even the Tamale airport they claim. Don't mind NDC, please. Me say me MPP ni anka me ni bed chepa na ye nya bi no. Manya abotre na ye push MPP ma ye break 8 na be so because enkrofo we your mama ye so many you. Ahmed Said, I'm telling you, my brother, say these people have really showed say omunimoshe omama yehu Temale airport yes ya dia ye koye interchange ma Temale yes ya fly over make ono so be dia abemu antumi anya bridge po ama Temale on ferry Dennis Meda say ojene ho a onte ase me say I always don't know why NDC for like for them to be toyed with. What the adwene di agora na yo modo said then you. Na me minim say Sunyani airport. Who say enche dia Sunyani airport bibie. Thomas, minim say very soon. Now konhweafo we beba beka say omo no mu bie Sunyani airport. Me say anya me wa ombeka wo de mo pa asem amakan mo me yemfa market be bia nhwe acha ye bie Sunyani airport no business that say cause acha 1 week omo beba be press conference achievement of Mahama na de ya me ya ni o say ya no mo kwa akoye press conference na ya na say omuwire free say na say Sunyani mo ba ye na ye adwuma na mo simu ni ska mo de be run nti mo ma ni guye e na mo tu mu Kufuado no we be bi e na be ye adwuma so waka say yemfa sa project ne ma wa e kire say atase e na aka yen NDC fo no medwene ho amenti ase ba me no na medwene sanka ebreko no ka Ghana fo ani be start ye bie atetete ne amase but there be that so ye NDC MPP na politicians ne nam ho no mu sidan no mo do mo mekwa bruchiri endra ye to kuja to kwasia no kakawure abra kwa de otume de ne yere ekwa bruchiri kosunya de e Ghana fo musimu nyane Ghana hiafo yesi ye nyane okuja to abra kwa de ne yere ko school we bruchiri a efata no okuja to abra kwa na yere fa first class flight ya efata no utie okuda to abro kwa yere so ono de ye de Ghana secretary anaka e ma ne de hwe na yere school e we brochiri a efata no Ghana ni hie ni we janka mo bro wa ba na wo no no wo ni pie oto na ni ento obi anim na adudi se minim se mu ayede ama ba memo wa yes mama mi hu ebrochire ayewe obetumi akwaje ID keke e wo bra sebe provide correct ID ana sa voter card now dey yes ya cake nti say no obi an use ne Ghana card na yen link Otu wose won lenke. Otu wose won nye mu bia. Na obi pa. On chow credit. Na sebe. Se MTN chow wo line mu. Ede na abetu mi aye. Kana for. Ya mamu ma ye man kwasi afu we me amedada aye yo. Jene. Boy, one kasa a wo hwe me ende. Se wo benya ne na se MTN fo atwa wo line mu. Ede na abe. Ede na abetu mi aka kire. They don't want to give you service no more. And also, they don't want to do business with you no more. It is their business. They can choose to do business with you or not to do business with you. MTN don't belong to Ghana. MTN does not belong to NDs. Now I catch them say, where they register? If MTN want to take their line, what can you do? There's a mood they be a yanko that Ghana for yanko chan throw the any way yanko keke no, nothing sensible, nothing real. Now when you Jimmy Phobi, I share red, green, white, and the diometi say, a yezu a yeza. More mobo papa. Almost near halfway good Ghana, and then I am a mobono. Ope one more year bre, your ribanche, a cow, near dear, ya. Near Coach Yanka, Siafo, we are homono, Mahamed, it is Gamo, Muntro, but now grano chatro crown ferry. A brand to attack the Esokama, I bet not radio to say, you dare. Who the fuck can you dare? What can you do? What can you do? Which part of Ghana do you control? What power? Who are you? It would only take Mahama to raise fools like this. Only Mahama would raise fools like this and wouldn't call them to order. Coronavirus, by a mamonko. No more Mahama, and then they call war, no many way. We smell it now, Mamonko. Now, when Crano, and see a dunk at Yabeka, say, Monko register, cause here. Oh, for some of my back, I say, yeah, me a car send come among calling killing can register. But say, dear, yan shen ya, your home actually into Monco register. Partner cars are no, or communicating you, and we're beginning as a baby. On your register, on link, on the muche, na say MTN for pa, say Vodafone for it dead them. Now what's your name? You would de when Wakasapa on car you, Wadada, Konako Joe card, Konako link. Because I remember. Ye born who they will bought me. Ghana me number me use. Every time the mayor call me, I know what I will say. This number is not properly registered. So go and register it with a Ghana card or a time will come I want to me use. Long time me free Ghana by at least 3-4 months eba. And I first say 2 months me na me way. Okay? And answer na me do Ghana no. Yes, I data. Your board they will say more link more Ghana card with your phone numbers. And yende. But so party na they be almost person Ghana chick on chino. Yeni na tia yeni na you move forward into one direction. No more be na catch or say or no be there MTN or there Vodafone or there Tigo. With what? What do you dare them with? You will meet them where? We shall meet them. We shall become the say